Hi, today in this video we show you how to create these funny home decor, or if you want you can use them as a bookmark. They are Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse and they are quite easy to make. You will need a circle, two circle punch, one bigger, one smaller, this one for the middle of the bow, and a heart paper punch. You will need, if you want to glue them to the wooden stick, to stick, and some paper. Okay, we will start creating this part of our mice. Voila. You will need two circles for each mouse because I prefer to glue back and the two parts together, because in this way the result is more stronger. So you will need in this way, and then we need to create the ears. We will need 4 circles, in this case 2 for mouse. Voila. Okay, now we will start to glue together our pieces. Okay, and then with a vinyl glue we will put some glue. Voila. Okay. Another piece here, and voila. And now we will glue together the 2 main circles in this way, like this. Okay, voila. Okay, we will create the same and follow the same procedure. So a little glue for one ear, another little glue for the other, and now we will glue together the 2 main circles. Okay, our mice are ready. Now we will need to create this bow and the other bow for Minnie and Mickey. You will need some red paper and then paper heart punch. Okay, we will need 4 heart. Okay, and then with this we will create this piece of paper that you will put in the center of the bow. Okay, now we will put a little glue here, and then voila. Okay, leave it to dry, Then we will put another little glue here, and we will do in this way. Okay, voila, and leave it to dry. And this one is for our Minnie. We will create the other one for our Mickey. Here, okay, and here. Okay, and this way. Okay, if you want, you can glue together the pieces now. Okay, a little glue, and then for Mickey Mouse we will glue our bow here, and for Minnie we will glue the bow between the ears. Okay, and they are ready. Now, if you want, you can use them in the, like this, in this way. You can glue a magnet. I use Mickey and Minnie as a magnet, or if you want, you can use them as a decor, home decor, using this wooden stick. We will glue the stick here, voila. Okay, and the same for Minnie Mouse. You can use this super cute and funny creation for your parties, home decor, for your vase, and also as bookmarks. Voila! Here, the finished project. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.